开始转打了推转，这两个动作完成在这里嘛。那它的 look back is one from D. Turn frog one. Second one punch. This is second punch. And then frog two. And then one hand frog inside, one hand closing in. And then back. This is movement. 但是如果你用的时候，这个脚就贴它，就贴它，那第5点之前，啊，这是 first 1 2 kick， kick 啊，啊，那就 back 是 back， 啊，它走到后面来了，走到后面来了，前面那个是这样的，对啊，他就跳。你试试看，从那边算，推那边，我也打你了，我1对传不快，我第2再打，后面那个脚不用动，后面脚你就是这个脚，对，1 2跟着，一往后坐你就贴了，这个脚就贴上去了，啊，这个脚已经贴上去了，啊。啊，再贴上去，它是用脚尖。This is
when you're pulling back.
This is your toes. Yeah. Block. Yeah. This one. 啊。Yeah. 好了 ，and then another one from there, come to there, and then this is 1 2 3. 啊，this is block, like a block. You relax the heart, the head, two head. This is like a thing. Like a thing. This is like before this one. It's a whole thing. This whole, and then this whole. This is whole. Some the breath is very strong， 就是如果他捉的力气很厉害，没办法，打不开的话，我不管他，我在走，我本来我是偷步的，我一偷步上了一步还不行，打个比方 ，you very strong， 我就用膝盖对付他。我已经靠近了吧，我已经靠近他身体了，我偷偷的已经靠近了他的身体，我本来这样可以用力啊，这是 I just strong 嘛不好啊 ，but you very strong， I don't open， 我已经靠上来了，但是还是打不开，我用膝盖对付他，给他打上去，他肯定要松了，身体要松了，身体一松的时候，这个手就放开了。
Once you hit, then you open.
Yeah, I open hand and up the, 啪 ！You know, the moment is this is good look. And fighting, no. And fighting just a little bit. In fighting just hold and then, 啪 this is open end. 那个圆圈从你开到。
So how is that hand?
现在通常这样 hold 的嘛，你这样handle，反正他就这样偷步啊。一偷步靠近了，我要拐掉，我要想拐掉，我要想这样拐掉的两个手。如果拐不掉的时候，我就打这边偷打你这边。如果能拐开的话，我一拐开，跟住啪就上来了。拐开，我马上就来了。好了，只有一打开，但是动作在一套船里面，这有一个发型，一个意思。
Someone drops you here, so I'm going to go inside here, and then I'm going to go bang, and then from here push it across.
马上你就上去，直接就上去。这小圈，我们讲是小圈，小圈。
So your hand goes inside,
Yeah.
and knee up, so you can't release this way. It's just pulling apart, pull apart.
这样他这样做，你看看，你做，他从这边拖嘛，你这边拖过来。对，你本来是这样子的，本来的动作应该是这样子。他做的时候应该你的手是这样的，应该是这样的。等下你往下反，这个往下反，这个嘿，对了，这样吧，这样放开吧，也放开嘛。
if it doesn't work, bang,
Yeah,
bang.
yeah. 啊，这连续2下就够了，搞定了。
Right.
搞定了。
Oh, yeah.
Uh,
So from here,
so I think start from
Yeah, start here.
and then
grab your
Yeah,
hand.
and then hold this.
And then turn the other one.
21.
this way.
Yeah, open. This open.
Yeah, you cannot.
Okay.
Yeah, because I hold you, I use my rebound. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
啊
Yeah, that's right.
跟着在上面一下子，在上面再来一下就这样，hold 这个是一下
Yeah.
，bang 一下，
Yeah.
跟着啪这里再一下，
Side.
可以了吗？你反正你就 bang 啪，再来一下，肯定打这样
Right
打
side.
的。
Yeah.
Yeah, no, this is first one, second two, first one, second two, up there, pa,
Yeah, up,
Just
down,
do
up,
it.
down, up, down.
yeah, they can do it. Yeah,
Yeah.
啊，把，刚才你这个脚提起来了嘛，一把跟着，顺便一这打下去，好来，这样啊，那就对。啊，就是再下去，然后这个下去就是按照一般，如果定式动作的话，就是这个手拨这个脚叉，就 kicking，
Yeah.
就 kicking，就 kicking，就 kicking，这是 block，
Yeah.
side kick 啲，
Side kick.
side kick 啲 block，啪，那个啲，啪，and then the movement is down in the fighting， you know。 好，直接就打上去，看没？好来，
So
This
you
one?
need to block.
this one， 这里 side kick，side kick， 啊，六米 ，side kick， 好，看，必须的
Right.
Rock and kick it at the same time.
，yeah，
Yeah, so I go.
yeah， 我的 side kick 直接打下去，对，这样，this
Inside, right?
yeah, this is like the movement is there.
Yeah.
The moment is there. Up there, the foot back. Yeah. Up the foot back. Up the foot back. Yeah. Yeah. Block. The block.
Other hand.
Other hand. Same.
That's right. I'll come here.
Block. Like yeah. And then up there, your foot not too much. Hold the feet. Just spring. Bang. The back. 这个是这个脚不要停得太久，停下来让我踩下
Bounce
去。
back straight away.
Yeah,
Ah.
If they leave here, if they hit that,
So you want to block, kick.
Yeah, second one, second one, OK， 啊，行了嘛 ，free， 啊，那么 free，OK， 而且这就那么 free，
Yeah, okay.
见到那么 free， 好了，可以。
This one we'll try the slow one.
所以就知道了
So,
，OK，这个是的
so the slow one is
Yeah.
where it's coming here.
So that's the.
Yeah.
Up
Yeah.
to there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a punch from here.
，yeah， punch，
So
punch，
yeah, that's one. And then
Yeah.
coming up.
you come to the inside here.
Inside, step inside.
In outside this, the other foot for this.
It's
Yeah, for inside.
for inside. Okay. So coming there.
This is punching, all right?
Rock.
And then you shoot the hand, all right? And then I pull you.
Yeah.
And then
And
you,
you slide.
the hand change you. Other hand, yeah. And then
So
hold it there,
from-
yeah. Back, step back.
This
Also-
Yeah.
Yeah.
Step back. Can you step back? Oh,
Yeah, have to use that.
So it's the pivot leg is after you block here,
Yeah,
and then you go.
yeah, good.
Okay. Yeah,
Ah.
the other foot has to come
Can
So
you
it's like
step,
the
step?
judo move.
Yeah,
right? So it's
Like a judo, yeah, like
so
a
you
judo.
punch,
Yeah.
right? So I'm gonna step in here,
Yeah.
boom. As soon as you
Yeah.
slide,
Yeah.
and from here,
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, need a turn
yeah.
into the body. Okay.
Yeah.
You
Ah.
just try to take it. So
So
it's here. So
Yeah, good.
yeah.
And
And
block
then-
it,
Block.
yeah.
and
Touch that. Yeah, OK. Yeah. Yeah. 因为你是用转的，
Yeah.
所以很容易把它扔掉。
yeah.
用转的，对，用转的。
So that one is just the judo move is when you're fighting inside.
Yeah.
Come from the outside,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your bum actually your hip goes down, and then from there you lift. Yeah. So you have to step close enough inside so you can use your hip to lift.
Next to
Yeah.
yeah.
不过你现在就是这个动作，你第三个从这个第三个开始，
第三
第
张
三个想这个，我进攻我打你的时候，你做的动作完成你第三那个动作，先做那个动作，
对，
从这个动作开始，这个从这个动作开始，本来是这个动作，我来进攻呢，我要进攻我这一往上，二。
Hit the head.
对，然后你这边上来就打了，
对，
打了，这个已经打掉了。然后你利用转身的时候，看后面我要打你的时候，啪啦，这个我再打你，走在从上面下来，我这从上面上来，啪，都在中间的，都在打，都在打。反正你这个手拨完以后，你还在这里，然后你一翻过来就打中间。然后我就打中间，利用这个肩膀转一小点，然后到下面一个，good，不是像我来这个然后这个手一转，头部上去一转，然后膝盖顶起来，然后顶起来，跟你中间一啪，然后就下去，啪，再回来 ，OK。这如果是连贯动作解释的话，它都是这样，但是这个不能死的，千万不能死的。好吧，你要被中间要被人的啊，不能
This part itself is almost like if pushing hands, you hit me both. Okay.
Yeah.
This works out so
Yeah.
well. Okay.
这样，这你在中间，你不用管它，反正你两个手一上去，他捉得很死，你在中间顶他一下。然后再打他，再打他，再打他。
It's almost like how
Yeah.
to grab.
So it's when you grab,
Yeah.
and then from here,
And tense.
and from
Give
here,
you
so
a bang.
bang,
Yeah.
and then once shock,
Yeah.
shock.
That's right.
It's effective for things like that. So you just go and you actually like the
And then if you miss
you just want enough control here to actually be able to lock this. So you almost make sure that you let go. So all I can do is let go.
You want to use that boom, because I can use this as a bounce back, bang, just there, then come in.
So it is a trap almost. If you hold, so you want to actually be able to actually trap this bang, because I don't want you to let go. If you let go, then there's another threat. And then from there, bang, bang. Because it's stupid enough to push you like that. Yeah. Because you love control the weakest point of it. All you need to do is just push here.
Even if it's not go, bang, 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 just keep going until loosen up.
I can't do it.
Yeah, boom, boom.